Hey everybody, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I'm going to be opening a package I got from William Barnhart over at WB Blacksmithing. How I'm opening it is my Kiridashi knife that I made. I'll drop a link in the top right area. Go check that video out. But without further ado, let's open it. Not the sharpest Kiridashi. And some insane packaging. Ugh. Yeah, this knife could definitely do with a nice sharpening. Haven't sharpened it well enough apparently. But I have been able to tear my way to the side almost out with the packaging. Ugh. There we go. Whatever. Alright. So I can feel something heavy in here. Oh, come on. Some insane packaging. Well. Now I'm going to have to clean this up, but this is the lump of coal that he sent with. He did make a video on what he did put in here, so if you want to go check that out, I'll also drop a link up in the top right corner. Oh, this must be the knife that he sent, because I can definitely determine what the shape of this is. But this paper will be put to good use for starting a fire. So this is a railroad spike knife. Fits my hand pretty well. It's definitely got an edge on it, so I'm sure this would cut right through it without a problem. I wish I had this knife to open it. That would be pretty sweet. Trying to figure out where his touch mark is. It's just the stamping in of WB. He also did put USA on this side. I'm not sure if this is anything or if this is just light fluff. Just more fire starter. Here's one of his business cards. Very cool. This is some kind of paper. This may be the catalog of everything which should be in here. You wrote some things on here. Oh, come on. Probably wasn't the optimal way to get into this box. I can actually feel this. This is a farrier's rasp, which is very cool. Not sure what I'll make it into yet. Maybe a knife, maybe flint striker, I don't know yet. But a chunk of farrier's rasp. Couple more business cards. So I would believe this would be a railroad spike. Yep, this is just one of your standard old railroad spikes. In comparison to the knife is quite a bit longer, but very cool. Try to dump some of the stuff out quick. This is a horseshoe, as you guys can see. I have no idea what to do with the horseshoe, as I've never actually had a horseshoe to mess around with. If you have any suggestions what to do with the horseshoe, drop a comment down below. Another sweet railroad spike. Definitely make something cool out of that too. Got some more paper. Oh, this must be one of his flyer things. Very cool. I'll make sure to go ahead and read that. Another piece of paper. Yep, this is the item inventory catalog, and I don't believe there's anything else in there. So to recap, one release stick railroad spike knife. Got 2 railroad spikes. I'm trying to keep the packaging on the table so parents don't get mad at me. 1 horseshoe. Remember, leave a comment. Tell me what to do with the horseshoe. And 1 chunk of Farrier's rasp. Piece of coal. Definitely light a fire with that. That's about it. And couple, got his pamphlet, and then order form, list of everything, and then some sweet business cards. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to go check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description down below. Make sure to go check out my 100 subscriber video. I'm getting pretty close to 100, so make sure you enter that. Without anything else, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have yourselves a great day. Goodbye.